Removing studs can often be difficult, so having the right tools and techniques can make the job quicker and easier. In this video, we'll show you 4 different ways of removing studs, using an impact stud extractor, a stud remover and installer, a stud extractor socket set, and the old-fashioned 2-nut method. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE. Impact stud extractors work in conjunction with an impact wrench and are a quick and effective tool for stud removal. Simply slide over the stud and tighten the jaws until they get a secure grip. Then select reverse on your impact wrench and begin removing the stud. A stud remover and installer can both tighten and loosen studs. Place the tool over the stud through the hole that most suits the size of the stud to be removed. Now connect a 1/2-inch square drive ratchet to the back of the tool and begin removing or installing the stud. Turn clockwise to tighten and anti-clockwise to loosen the stud. Stud extractor sockets are specially designed to grip studs for easy removal. Select a socket that matches the size of your stud, attach it to a suitably sized ratchet or wrench, then set your ratchet to loosen to begin removing the stud. This set features 4 different sizes, suitable for 6, 8, 10 and 12mm studs. The 2-nut method works by locking 2 nuts against each other on the stud thread so they can be loosened using a spanner or wrench. Start by screwing 2 suitably sized nuts onto the stud thread. Then using 2 spanners, lock the nuts together by tightening them in opposite directions. Grip the rear nut with your spanner and turn anti-clockwise to begin loosening the stud. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.